Hi there. I'll start with the pair weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, PEPE is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. So all these orange tags are accumulation cycle, these blue tags are distribution. And the current price level around the yellow T level of 2815 with 5 leading zeros is actually somewhere above the accumulation range, the late accumulation range back in 2023-24. So you can see the price dipping between the orange T level and the yellow T level was actually the top of that accumulation range. 4 years ago, almost. Okay. And in terms of volume, there's nothing very committing by the bulls or the bears. Okay, it's just normal. And as of this moment, you see for 5 consecutive weeks, the bulls have been trying to push the price back to above the yellow T level. That's the situation right now. And what we hope to see is something called sign of strength in Wyckoff method. That's when the price comes back to challenge where the automatic rally, this AR over here, set the trading range top. Okay. We don't see it over here, but imagine if this is the AR, there's not enough history for this Kraken chart. That was the range top that I'm talking about. So this may well be for this cycle. We won't know until it happens. Okay. The very first resistance right now, not going that far, the green key level of 3935 over here. And the immediate support right below the yellow is the orange 1590. Now, the shorter term setup, we can clearly see over here, after some, rapid decline and then slow uptrend and other decline, currently it is outside of the falling channel. Okay, that finished around this point when it set this support. Okay, it climbed outside of this falling channel, but this is not over yet. Remember I said this reference range is well below the orange G level. So as of this moment, the bulls is trying this, but some people would tell you, hey, what we're seeing here is we have a bear flag over here that happened, and then the price plummeted, and this is a blue flag, and the price started to climb, but you can see the rate of descent is way bigger, okay, than the climb. So that's the tricky part. It drops more than it climbs. So if it is really within this rising channel, what it is pointing towards, there are only 2 reference points right now, one here, one here. We don't have another third point. So this is creating another reference point for this channel. So next week when we come back, we'll know, is it just a sideways trend? Okay, or is it really rising slowly? And there is a date that it is pointing to. So here, this date points to the 1st of August. All right, so that means that when it comes to this triangle, if it continues to stay above this rising channel support, it comes to a 2C's decision point. Either it continues with the trend, meaning breaking this yellow resistance, or it changed from the rising channel to a sideways or even downward, depending on the events that are happening or the liquidity. Is it going to flow out? Are the bears going to plop like hammer hard? Are the bulls able to defend? That's going to decide whether it can stay above this yellow dash line of 2288. Okay, 2288 with 5 leading zeros. This is the short-term support provided by late June trading up to the 2nd of July. If you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, like the current channel members, join them now. See you in the next one. Thank you.